Hey guys, welcome back to the best 4x4ing channel on the whole of YouTube. I mean, this is where we're at. This is like 4x4ing every day, all day. This is what we called. We back, guys. So keen to be back on holiday, finished my exams, and just wow. I am so stoked at the moment. So keen to just start with everything again. That thing over there, yeah, that will come. Get the welder out, do some welding tutorials, painting tutorials, and sending this thing a little bit more. Coming to a channel near you guys. But the reason why we're making today's video is we're working on Maddie, the good old 97 Padgy. You guys love her, and I love her too. I've fallen in love with this car. I literally, it just does everything for me. It is crazy. I just think there's a lot of historical value to them, and yeah, I mean, there's more to it than just what a car is, as we all know why we car guys. So let me turn you guys around and show you exactly what we're doing. Welcome back, guys. So we put the new lights in, huge difference, but there seems like there's something missing. I mean, let me just quickly fix it. Boom, and just like that, we have some spots. No, I'm joking, guys, but yeah, today we are installing a set of hella spotlights. I'm going to show you how to do it, the wiring harness, inside your car. I'm just going to show you plus minus what to do. I'm not going to show you how to pull it through in that. You can figure that out. That's, yeah, I will do a proper video on that, but obviously every car is different, so don't want to get too hectically involved in that, but some spotties. And then got a wiring diagram, the wiring harness. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, what we're going to need. So let's go straight to the wiring diagram first. Oh, no, you know what? Actually, let's get to that later. First things first, let's pop open the bonnet, start taking the grill off so we can have this place exposed so we can drill some holes into the Pajero. Let's get that done. So as you guys saw, the grill is now off. I just gave it a bit of a wipe down on the bottom here just to clean it up. And now what we're going to do is mark. I've measured out from where this side, basically where the grill sits there, and the grill sits on this cowling, 19 centimeters in, 19 centimeters in there, just to get the spotlights more or less middled. I guess, yeah, you guys need to do that to figure out what looks good on your car. Even like a rooftop LED bar, whatever, and basically send it. So what I'm going to quickly do is grab the actual headlights with my brackets, put them over here, and then punch, and we're going to send it. Right, I went and got me my headlight brackets, well, the spot, and the bracket that we made, well, me. So it is very simple. It's like a little piece of, I don't even know how thick it is, maybe 3 mil, 4 mil, and I just bent it up straight and drilled a hole in it. This was actually for the Mini when I was running spots on it. But what I've done now is I marked out where this little red dot is on the right hand side here is to the side of it. And I'm going to pretty much put it about halfway on. I can always make the bracket a little bit shorter. And then I'm going to grab where's my punch? I've got my puncher somewhere and then make a dot. Basically where it is, and then we drill it. And also find myself my drill bit over here. It's a 8.5 mil. So yeah, what I'm going to do is basically grab the punch it, and then send it. Let's see how it goes. And that's how you're going to punch, guys. It is pretty simple. I mean, this is literally, I love this. This punch is amazing. It's like one of the best things I probably have ever bought. It just makes life so much easier. Oh, don't look at that. No, naughty. Anyway, so now what we're going to do is attack the Pajero with a drill and send it. So probably is going to, I'm also doing something else on the side here while I'm doing all of this. So yeah, you don't need to know. But anyway, you'll see these things. Right, let's drill the Pajero. I mean, at the end of the day, just gotta drill it. Just gotta absolutely send it. Probably just like attach it to something, and yeah, get involved there. There's some nice space underneath the whatever you want to call this piece of metal over there. So yeah, I'll be able to get a bolt in there, or bolt, and then obviously a spanner. So let's send it. If you guys are using a drill with a chuck, just please lock it. Honestly, there's a reason why this chuck has a lock with a key. I mean, just do it. Like, it's not that hard. Don't just send it and grab it here and you think it's tight enough, because it will not hold. Just stop doing that, please. Anyway, back to the video. I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to start sanding that. Right, we got the Paggi drilled in the front, and I chucked a bit of white paint on it, because I had to file down where the burrs kicked up from the drill bit. I did it in slow motion. I've got no idea how it came out. I'll have a look. But yeah, we tried. So let's put the spotlight on and see how it actually looks. I'm very keen. And then we'll just repeat the process on that side. And then that's the easy part done. Then that diagram of the wires, and yeah, that's where the fun part comes. Anyway, let's get the one spot on, see how it looks. It is on, and wow, that looks incredible. I honestly love the look of some spotties, but I kind of thought this was gonna happen. Yeah, that's not very great. So I think I have a bit of a solution. Instead of going obviously over on the top here with this bracket, we're just gonna go straight in to the side here. And because these spots already have a mount at the back over here, I think it's gonna work. And you know what? The worst, at the worst, I'm just gonna have to make a plan and fix the hole, which isn't the first time I'm gonna have to do it. So let's drill a new hole and then see what happens. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna drill on each red spot. I'm just gonna actually find the middle point of this, pretty much halfway of this, and then go straight in the middle. Same with this, straight in the middle, because that's going to be the most structural place to be. Put your guys on time lapse and then send it. Alright guys, we're officially mounted. I am so stoked the way, I love this. I honestly love this. This is so nostalgic. I'm probably gonna put LEDs in them at a stage. Maybe even like a ring or something. I don't know, we'll play around with them at a stage. But wow guys, look at this. This is gonna be mad. Oh wow, I can't wait. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put pretty much everything back together in that, kind of. Just really the grill. And I'm going to show you guys. Well, first, I'm going to explain to you how we're going to wire them and the proper way, because that is how you should do it. And with the relay and everything, so we're going to take it to the table, show you a wiring diagram, and from there, we're going to start wiring everything in. Let's hit it. So, guys, as you see, there is a little diagram in front of us, and there is some wiring here on the bench. So, let me explain to you. This is a relay. It has 5 poles, in actual fact. And each one has a different basically feature. On the right hand side, when you look at relay, you'll see there's this one called 85. 85 is always ground. Then bottom is 30, and 30 is positive straight from the battery and with an inline fuse, preferably. Not sure what mine is, but I'll show you just now. Then 86 on the left hand side, which is over there, goes up to your switch. And your switch is either grounded or not. So, and the switch needs a power source. So here is my switch, fighter jet toggle switch, of course, on off. This switch you can pretty much power a whole bunch with. And as you can see, I've got one of the leads going off to the relay, and the other one over here is going to be to a 12-volt source. Right. And then we get the last one that we're going to be needing, 87. 87 is the top pole over here. 87 goes straight from there into either your light bar, LED, whatever it is, all works the same principle, to the positive side. Then on the negative side of the lights, literally guys, it's as easy as just finding a good ground straight to the battery if it is doable. If not, any good ground. The biggest thing with these lights and anything electronical actually is the grounds. Grounds are huge when doing this. So enough speaking, this is going to be put to the car. And let's transition. Okay, right, so now that we have both of the wires through on this side, here is my switch. And what we're going to do is, I'm just going to check which side does what. And then you can either turn it around or vice versa, because this thing just rotates. So let's quickly wire them in. And we can take it from there. I think it should be good to go. So after I've just quickly wired in everything properly, off, now off, on, wait, let's go have a look. Hey Rover, hey, they are on. So happy with it. So now what we're gonna do is do some cleaning up of some wiring and then put everything back together, adjust the spots, and we are ready to send it. So let's clean this up. Yeah, because this looks very bad. And then gonna maybe extend some wires in that and find some earths and change some plugs. But besides that, we're ready. So I'm probably not going to show you that. I'll probably just show you when I'm done. So yeah, let's get it. Guys, I am so stoked. This has come out so well. My switch is officially in and it looks pretty clean, and it's on the same side as where the lights are, so that makes total sense. Just need to clean up these wires over here, put some panels on at the bottom there, and then I'm probably going to wrap up this video with the before and after then tonight. So I've got some before videos from the last headlight update. So obviously with that, and then with brights, and then blah, 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 blah. But yeah, let me quickly put everything back together and then wrap it up. Oh, and also, look how clean it is in the engine bay. I'm very stoked with that. I'm still going to actually put like a cable tie over there, tie them together, but super, super happy with that. Didn't even have to change any lens on the headlights at all. So very keen on that. Gonna put the front end together. We'll have a final look. So guys, we have got the lights installed. I am so stoked. It looks amazing. This is basically with my normal lights on, my low beams. Those are high beams, and then that's a pothole. And then here is obviously the spots. I mean, wow, what a huge difference. I honestly can't even believe how, yeah, I mean, look how much brighter they are. Off, on, I mean, it's chalk and cheese, really. So I'm super stoked. I'll show you guys a proper, obviously against the garage when we get home. So this is normal driving night lights. Those are my brights. And now we have brights with spotlights. Oh man, it's crazy. It is honestly crazy, like incredible and crazy how much light there is. But anyway guys, we'll catch you tomorrow. Alright guys and girls, welcome back. Today is the next day, and I just wanted to do a little bit of an outro because I can't just leave you hanging when it's dark. I mean, no. We can't end the video like that. No, it just doesn't work like that. So I'm super stoked with the way the whole thing came out, and it was honestly one of the easiest installs ever. I had a bit of a slight problem last night. They just didn't, the spots just didn't want to work, and I realized my ground was bad, so I just changed the ground and zoop, Bob's your uncle. And such a simple mod, but yet so effective on any vehicle. I actually want to do an LED install or a couple spots on the 86, so that's definitely going to be coming to a channel near you guys soon. That'll be very cool to see some spots on this bad boy. So yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, all those good things. And yeah, there's something big coming to the channel this year. No, next year. Gonna see what else we can send on the channel and just do as much as I possibly can with this, with the 86, with the Mini, all that good stuff. As always guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to always send it. Thanks guys, catch you in the next one.